Do you want to know how you can log into your Peoplesoft Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Peoplesoft Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for Peoplesoft Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login page of Oracle Peoplesoft Payroll. The first step you want to do is write down your username or email address in the first box. After you write down your username or email address, move to the second box and write down your password associated with your account on Peoplesoft. Then check your password. After you write down your user ID and your password, click Sign In. This way, you can successfully sign in to your Oracle Peoplesoft Payroll account. You can also select your language if it is available here. And you can also enable screen reader mode. So guys, this is how you log in to your Peoplesoft Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.